Well, I've done about 20 miles in it, and I just wanted to teach myself how to plug it in, and that's really straightforward. The little flap comes up, you can release it from in the car or you can use the handset, and then the cable which is supplied with it can only go in that one. This one's got a completely different fitting inside it. There's no way that they can be mixed up. And then the other end goes to my newly installed New Motion charge point. Which I've been told today is only operating at 3.6 kilowatts rather than 7.2 because it hasn't been enabled by New Motion, and New Motion are based in Holland. And what I said to them is, I don't need to have this connected to the internet, so there's the actual cable that the guy put in case we wanted to do a retro connection. Found out that it does have to be connected to the internet in order for New Motion to enable it to operate at 7.4. So the contracting company, Joju, for New Motion, have sent me this rather amazing electronic kit for making the terminals on my cable. It looks like the Medi kit from Dread 2012. I'm really impressed with this. Funnily enough though, out of all of it, you only actually need this tool, this crimper, and the tester, and there's a whole set of these RJ45s. And using this and going on the internet and finding an American chap to tell me how to put it together, I have actually done it, and I did it first time as well, so I'm quite impressed with myself. So there we go, that's my first ever RJ45 showing all greens, so I'm assuming I've done a good job of that. Right, I'm going to connect up my car to the charger in the dark. I've never actually done this before. I'm going to see how easy it is to do it. So, to the back of the car. Right, that's all nicely lit. The charger's in the bag. There he is, all lovely and shiny. Go and connect that up. So there's the socket, there's the power socket. Click that open. Right. We've got the right one. Yep, that's the one that goes in there. Right first time. Oh. The other one goes in here. That lights up. So green shows it's connected and it's locked on. Blue shows it's locked on, so you can't pull it off. Car over there is beeping away to tell you that it's working. I tend to drop this flap back down. The rest of the cable I hide under the car so that it doesn't get wet. And the charge time, I should turn it on at 11:30 at night and charge it all night.